Hey, this is Cool G with Cool G's Heating and Air. I just came back from a nice vacation, spent some time out in Southeast Asia. And while I was out there, I thought about you guys. So I recorded some HVAC units so you guys can see what the ACs look like out in Southeast Asia. And also introducing my new YouTube channel called Cool G's Overseas. I'll put a link in this video so you can check that out when you get a chance, and subscribe to that channel for some cool video of my travel. But go ahead, sit back, relax, check out this video of my trip to Thailand and Vietnam.
Cool G's on your Google YouTube. If you're looking for a trade, hit the move. Sit down, take note, listen up. Cool G's about to pour in your cup. Be your own boss and set the stage. Just use HVAC as a trade. Set your own rules and come up. All you need to do is sit down and listen up. Yeah, Cool G's, heating and air, service and repair. Haha. Install. Come learn that trade. Get yourself paid. Pay all your bills. All you need is the tools and a truck.